Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Anything, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a chatbot. So let's get right into the video. So, to create a chatbot, first we need to understand what is a chatbot. A chatbot is a bot which will chat with us. It will show or display the responses which we have set in it. So, first to create a chatbot, go to Google and then search dialogflow.cloud.google.com. We'll be using this platform. So you will see this kind of interface. Then click on sign in with Google. Click on the account you want to use. Then enter your password. Then click on next. Now it will take you to this page. So here you will see a menu. In this left hand side you will see a menu. So you have to click here in this drop down and select create new agent. Click on it. It will take you to this interface. Then then go to agent name and name it whatever you want. I'll name it chatbot. Okay, so then click on create. It will take some time. So it is finished. So you'll get to this interface when it's done. You'll see the name displayed here. So first we need to add small talks. So small talks are some questions which are very frequently asked. Like you can call them FAQs, like hi, what's your name, or good morning, how are you. So we have to set the responses for that. So to get to small talk, go to the left hand side menu and then scroll down. You will see an option small talk. Click on it. Click on enable. And then you have to go to about agent. It will show 0% here because we have not started. Okay, so now click on about agent. Now you will see the questions here. You have to add the answers. Okay, so like who are you? I'll respond it with I am a chatbot. I'm a chatbot. Created by Mr. Anything. Okay, so now we have this. How old are you? Now we don't have any specific response for this question. So I'll answer this with like I was created on 25th of January 2021. I'll just capitalize the J and so on. You have to keep adding responses to each of the question. If you want, you can add more than one response. If you add more than one response, so it will choose a random response in the responses that you have added and it will display here. Click on save when you are done. So I'll just cut short this video and I'll just keep you to the part when I'm done. Okay, so let's see that. I finished adding all the small talks now. So now we have to jump to intents. Intents are a particular kind of questions which have one or more responses, like what kind of food do you like, what kind of cuisine do you like, which kind of food do you like. So these are all one kind of questions with only one response, like I like Chinese food, noodles are my favorite. So Now let's add intents. In the left hand menu, you will see intents. Now go and click on it. So I've added all the intents here. I've added for book, color, sports, traveling, etc. So now our chatbot is almost ready. So now go to integrations, which will be visible in this left side menu. Click on it. Scroll down and enable web demo. It can always be enabled, but still in case it is not enabled, click on it and get it enabled. So now this kind of interface would be there. Click on this web demo and this kind of interface would be there. Now to share this chatbot, you have to copy this src link. I'll just zoom in so it will be visible better. You have to copy this src link. This src, do not copy these codes from https to b. There can be other littles also. So do not copy the codes. Copy the things which are inside this. So I'll just zoom out and I'll click on close. So you can try your chatbot here. This is just a testing menu kind of thing. So click on try now and I'll write hello. It will reply to you. And who are you? I am a bot. It will give the response like this. And if I click which is your favorite book, it will give this response. I've just edited the responses and made them better and crisp kind of. So it will show different kind of responses. I'll just show you where I've edited these. Into the books. I have added many training phrases and I've added this response. Same I've done in small talk. So instead of this chatbot, I'm a chatbot, it showed that I'm a bot. So now time to show you how can we share this chatbot. Go to integrations as I told you. Go to web demo and copy this src link. Control C. Click on close and share this link with your friends. Just to give you a demo, go to a new tab and paste this link here. Click on enter. Here is it. Now you can click on ask something, like I'll put hello. It will show the same response. Now, who are you? Again, it will show you the same response. So now, you must be wondering how I put this logo here. So again, go back to this interface of Dialogflow. Go to this chatbot, click on this settings button. You'll see this logo of Dialogflow here. You have this when you take a mouse here, you'll see a button of update avatar. You can click on it and always select a logo. Okay, so this was my video of how to create a chatbot part 1. So you have a ready-made chatbot here. So in the next part of part 2, I'll teach you how to use this knowledge feature. Like many questions are there which cannot be covered by intent. So we'll add it with knowledge in the next part. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment your feelings about this video.